Yeah, welcome back, guys. I just watched it. It's dope. This guy's getting best catches, but this guy's like the best. He gets like comes after him, gets a helicopter coming after him. Man, he's on dirt bike too. That's insane. You gotta watch. But a cop was chasing him, but no. Cop up there now. The cops are there. He's there. Oh. And then once you see a helicopter coming out, there's a moment and two more helicopter. Oh shit. Moment. 3, 2, 1. Helicopter! Nosy and doing good then. Helicopter action, guys. Let's say that's good reaction video I'm doing there now. You will see that helicopter because you slow down. That is long, I don't think. Do we live there? What would your pants say? Or live on his own, I don't know. You will slow down right there in a minute. But guys, I don't know if you can see it. Helicopter. Oh shit. Now that shit's dope. Now that's just good. Nosy and doing goodbye. Just dope though. What's coming after the next tank? Wait, everybody, do you know everybody there? Or just random people? He's like, nigga, get out of the way. Nigga, I'm getting chased by a cop. Huh, you can see he got a GoPro on, so I see it. Okay, that's awesome. He's coming out the next tank. Alright. Oh, that shit's awesome, nigga. What the fuck comes down? What do we have next? Roblox? Anime? Just like GTA 5? Instead of cops then? If you actually listen to him though, I'll tell you the tractor. Yeah, he's going on grass now. That's awesome, bro. Where the cops do now? The look still on the phone? Oh, this has been like 9 minutes in this video. Cop chasing after him. 9 minutes. This is dope. You know the video is 5 minutes? Yeah. I didn't want to start from the beginning. Because he's driving around and then like, so like 4 minutes in the video, it's just the cop shows up. So we'll just skip it to when the cop showed up. Yep, he's trapped. Oh no, I didn't think I was there. You know, he's way there, but he knows like that pace good, I think. I don't know, jump I ran out of gas, I'm gonna stop. Oh, I'd die laughing. There's a helicopter. Nigga, that's actually pretty good shit. There were cops. I have a Roblox on, but that's awesome. Yeah. I don't want to be a cop. That shit, I probably would do that. That real quick, I would actually do that. I would get my shit, but I would. Oh my, thing paused again. He's looking at an helicopter or something. But we just can see it. Nigga. You rotten kids, get off my lawn! If I was an old man, I would legit come in and say that. Get out there, girl, dirt bike. That's a customer like, never mind, you're good. Keep doing what you're doing. Come back if you want. Chopper left. Chopper got away. Man. Let's go to YouTube. I want some know. Man, that's like dope. 12 minutes of police chase. Oh, that's gotta be there. And then we're in quad now. Can't see shit. Really? Are the gradients over there now? Man, all of this stuff is awesome, man. got. Hey, the guy in the last video got away. He was legit. He got away. He was on a dirt bike. Got away from a chopper. Man, that was awesome. Man, I wasn't expecting that, and he got away. Man, that looks awesome. That's definitely kind of different. There's a cop. I thought this cop where he's looking at it. There was a cop. I think there was a cop in his truck. No cop there. Oh, where you going? The one is awesome, I know. Man, that's actually pretty sick, though. You can see that they're good, so I gotta check. But then, no, another hit. I don't know if you can see, can't see, but. So. That's awesome, bro. What's the copy now? Psych, nigga, that's shit dope. That's fucking dope, nigga. Just gotta say. Oh my. Oh no, no. Oh nigger. Go to the video part of that. Nigger. The monster. Later on, I'll be doing a WWK 17 video, so stay tuned for that. So, that's just dope. Just like, this one is find my stolen car from high school. Really? Oh, yeah, first, okay. Yeah, I go to the car.
Man just grenaded, and upon inspection, we have fantastic news. It wasn't the bottom end, it was the flywheel weight. On that bike, I run a 12-ounce flywheel weight, and the flywheel weight actually came loose enough so it wasn't tight. It was able to spin with your hand, and it was knocking against the cover on the
I
side
gotta
of
watch
the
this.
flywheel.
Got my Lamborghini to high school. I had 17 years old.